Hey everyone, today I'm going to talk to you real quick about why we clay bar vehicles. So what happens over time is your paint gets contaminants embedded into them. You may have heard of iron getting embedded into paint. We have separate videos on iron and fallout remover, but it's a similar concept. So what happens is these contaminants, or iron even, will get stuck in the clear coat of the paint and you can't always see it. If you have a light colored vehicle, you may see rust spots. That's iron from rail systems or transport. But overall, over time, your dirt gets embedded into the paint of the vehicle, and then we use what's called a clay bar. A clay bar, when lubricated, will glide over the surface but pull those contaminants out just enough and they'll get on the bar itself. Now, I'm going to show you the difference in sound between what it sounds like before a clay bar, and then we'll come back after you see me clay bar in this hood, and you can hear it afterwards. You can hear how the rough the paint is prior to. So this should pick up on camera. You should be able to hear that. That's contaminants embedded into the paint. I'm going to use Johnson & Johnson baby shampoo. We use this to install Clear Bra PPF, and I'm going to use that as my lubricant to clay bar this hood, and then we're going to come back. So one thing I didn't mention at the beginning is, depending upon how aggressive you need to get with your clay and the type and color of paint, you may be advised against clay barring without a polish set afterwards, because clay bar can actually mar the paint, and it just is going to depend on how aggressive you have to get and the color of the paint and the type of paint. So we may recommend that you get a polish immediately afterwards, but you're going to be able to hear how much quieter this paint is. Notice it doesn't sound like sandpaper anymore. And of course I can't show you on camera, but it's super smooth to the touch, and we haven't even ceramic coated it yet. So stay tuned for more.